When we talk about fear, it is something that almost everybody has, one or different kind of fear. For some people it's less, for some people it's more. But one thing that is common in most of the people is that they don't want to accept their fear. Psychologically, there is also a second thing which is common to everybody having fear. Fear is the one particular thing that gives rise to a lot of behavioral anomalies. For example, you see someone who is always angry, always anxious, always in a hurry, right? And we feel that they are having this weakness. But have you ever thought, where are these things coming from? They are usually coming from one or different kinds of fear. Someone who is scared of, being deceived or taken lightly, he'll always be aggressive, short-tempered. Someone who is scared of failure will again behave in a different manner. Similarly, when we talk about public speaking, when we talk about interview, a lot of people have difficulty being there. But why is it so?
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB Sure Shot Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a Sure Shot guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.
Everybody likes to speak, everybody likes to talk about themselves. Actually, this is one of the most common issue in friendships and relationships, that the other person does not listen to you. But when the interviewing officer asks you about you, you're not able to answer. Have you ever thought why? Why is it coming out? The reason is the presence of fear. When you go to your interview, you start having multiple things in the mind. What is the IO thinking about me? If I give this answer, what will be the result? Am I going to get these many marks? And so many things are there. First of all, your lack of focus already causes some problems. But second thing, that is fear, starts making you seem very different. There was once a boy I was asking some questions to, and he was stammering while giving answers, but he was unaware that he's stammering. Similarly, when people start speaking, a lot of them are there who have fine communication. Even when people have bad communication skills, that does not mean they are going to be bad speakers. Some people I have seen, they have very bad English, very bad speaking skills, but they speak still very confidently. But a lot of people, they start having their legs shiverish. In fact, it also happened to me once. I was scared of one speech, and what I did was I wrote it in my hands, the content. And when I went to stage, even though I could read it in my hands, but I spoke in a very abrupt manner. I was not able to speak properly. The reason was again fear. So in our personality development plus public speaking course, we will be covering how to speak better, how to develop yourself better. With that, we have also included how to manage this fear. So for managing the fear, the first thing that is required is understanding the fear. While I am teaching that, multiple times I ask people, tell me, what do you associate fear with? And even though I say that nobody will speak about overcome, courage, confidence, but 90% of the people speak that. Similarly, ask yourself, if you're having bad communication skills, what is it that you're scared of? Are you scared of doing a mistake? Or are you scared of what people are going to think about you? Are you scared that you're not perfect? Or is your fear something else? Understand it, accept it, and work on it. Because the chances are that it's not only while you're speaking that those fears are coming out, they are also going to come at other places. Like I told about my case, similarly there are a lot of people who feel anxiety. And anxiety is not only there when they go to the stage. Even though one incident can make you feel any weakness, any fear in an enhanced manner, but it will also help you understand that you have, say, performance related anxiety on the basic days as well. So for understanding this and for getting over this, start by analyzing your behavior. Like, don't go and ask 50 people, because the 50 people will give you 50 different opinions based on who they are. But inside you, you know what bothers you. Like for some people, it's like they want to do the best, and this is what their problem is. This is what their fear is. First of all, analyze your behavior, understand your fear, and then see where all it impacts you in your life. Once you're done with it, Then you start working on it in a reverse manner. Like, say, if you have a performance level anxiety or fear, then you start thinking, how can you stop thinking about the performance and focus on being in the moment? Like I told, it causes behavioral anomalies, and I have previously also told that behavioral anomalies can be corrected by learning to live in the present. And if you want to learn to live in the present, there are multiple things that you can do. First thing is just focus on what are the good things in that particular day. It's not about being grateful only or having one particular joyous thing, but anything that you feel was good in that day. After 3 days, after 4 days, it will teach you about being where you are. Second thing that you can do is go anywhere in your room, in a park, sit with yourself, take any notebook and give yourself 5 minutes, write down the things that are around you, like the color of shirt you're wearing, the grass that is nearby, what is the color of the grass and all other things. So these things will teach you how to not think about your fear and just stay where you are. Just try it for 4 days, 5 days, a week, and you'll see a lot of difference in yourself. So with the fear management thing, we have combined a number of other intriguing topics which include developing leadership, speaking properly, and also some things about the written communication. For more details about the course, you can download our app or you can also give a call to the reception's number. So I'll come back soon and do another video on these behavioral anomalies and all. Thank you.